mami, sa mga manganganak diyan ng January, February, March, gusto niyo bang makakuha ng maximum MATBEN for SSS maternity benefit? So this video is para sa mga voluntary member, non-working spouse, or mga self-employed. And since ngayon is June, isi-share ko sa inyo kung paano mo ba mamamaximize ang SSS maternity benefits. So first, I'll be doing, let's say for example, non-working spouse. And for maternity case natin, normal delivery or CS delivery. And then, ang due date natin is, let's say, January 2027. Show qualifying period. So, ang qualifying period natin is October 2025 to September 2026. So, you need to have at least 3 months posted contribution para ma-qualify tayo kay SSS. Since ang target natin is makakuha ng 70,000. Para dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, ang SSS, kinakount nila yung top 6 highest contribution nyo. So, ibig sabihin, kung dun sa from October 2025 to September 2026, meron kang 6 na buwan na may hulog na tagti 3,000, papasok ka sa maximum benefit ni SSS, which is 70,000, provided wala kang late payment. So, ito, gagawa tayo, let's say for example, sa mga wala pang hulog ng, let's say June. So, kung quarterly ka kasi naguhulog, pwede mo pang mahabol yung April, May, at saka June mo. So, let's say for example, this is based sa maximum monthly salary credit ni SSS na 20,000, equivalent to 3,000 contribution para ma-avail mo yung 70K max MATBEN. Right? So, let's say 3,000. Ang hulog mo dito, 3,000 and 3,000. Again, ngayon is June na, 'di ba? So, ang huhulugan mo is quarterly. Ibig sabihin, yung April, May, at saka June, huhulugan mo siya ng isang bagsakan. So, ibig sabihin, mag-generate ka ng isang PRN and bayaran mo siya ngayong June, on or before end of June. Okay? So, sinasuggest ko siya mabayaran ng on or before June para if ever lang na mabago yung contribution o yung EDD mo, let's say maging December siya, at least meron ka pa ring 3 months na pasok. Okay, so kung this January naman ang ang EDD mo, may extend siya until September. Right? So, July, August, September, babayaran din natin siya ng tigdi 3,000. So, ang due date, kung monthly ka nagbabayad, is on or before end of the following month, except yung last month ng qualifying period mo. So, let's say for example, September. So, kung September yung last month ng qualifying period mo, dapat mahulugan mo rin siya on or before end of September. So, kung quarterly ka nagbabayad, let's say July, August, September, so, kailangan mabayaran mo siya on or before end of September. So, hindi mo siya pwedeng bayaran ng October kasi pag binayaran mo siya ng October, ano na siya, considered late payment na siya. Right? So, calculate lang natin maternity benefits or estimate natin is nasa 70,000. So, ganun lang kadali or ganun lang yung yung kung paano mo ma-check or paano mo makukuha yung maximum MATBEN. So, kailangan mo siyang i-plan ahead para make sure na ma-maximize mo yung benefit mo. So, para sa mga gustong magpa-compute or magpa-estimate ng kanilang SSS MATBEN, comment lang your EDD and your month contribution, or for self-computation, punta lang kayo sa ssmaternitybbenefitscalculator.com. Just in case you need extra fund, click nyo lang to. I have a referral link dito, madadirect kayo kay Union Bank credit card. So, wala namang commitment dito whether you're approved or not, pwede kayong mag-fill up. This is very useful just in case na ma-approve kayo, pwede nyo siyang magamit if you need extra fund or other things like sa pagbubuntis or after nyong mga anak.